Finally, there is a press release from the consortium of NLU on the expert committee points, and there is a detailed draft that the expert committee has given. Also, we can see the notification live up there, expert committee report 2026. When you click on this, you will come to this draft where they are telling that at the annual meeting of governing body of consortium of NLU University held on 1826, ठीक है, the following resolution was adopted, and CLAT 2027 aspirants, there is no change for you. Now, the biggest thing is there is no changes to the syllabus and patterns at sections. Your syllabus is not defined. The pattern and the syllabus, both of them are contradictory to each other, because the syllabus does not include analytical reasoning and the pattern has analytical reasoning. I would call it simply a mock test for all my CLAT 2027 aspirants, because you see a paradox situation in your paper, in your critical reasoning part. In this paradox situation, you have two contradictory statements and you are meant to take these two contradictory statements as true. So yes, there are no changes in the syllabus and pattern section. So the syllabus that they have put there on that particular side remains the same. The pattern that we are seeing from last 2 years, that is your passage based pattern, agreed, but your critical and analytical part, because that analytical part is there. Logically, taking a solution out of this paradoxical situation, we can tell that yes guys, you have to deal with your analytical part as well. One more thing, the publication of CLAT expert committee report. They have published a report, and when you will click here, you will have this report. Now a 77-page report. See, this is what happens when people, judges sit, a committee sits, and this 77 report page comes. I will take you down to page number 71, 72, where you will see the pointers that have been told, and that is what it is most important. And the biggest news is for CLAT 2028 aspirants, because changes are there for you guys. Since we already know we have nothing for CLAT 2027 aspirants, but the news that came was that the summary of the recommendation, you can see this. And the first thing is the committee recommended that restructuring the undergraduate CLAT into streamlined 3-section model. So we are seeing a 5-section model, starting with your English, legal, logical, cons, GK and current affairs, and now they are telling that logical and legal aptitude is 1 section, your language and comprehension is the second, and your quantitative technique is the third. Completely removing the GK and GS part. You can see here in the second point, the committee endorsed the complete removal all the general knowledge and current affairs section to shift the focus from the rote memorization to the assessment of genuine aptitude. Moving ahead, the committee recommended merging existing legal reasoning and logical reasoning section into a unified logical reasoning and legal aptitude designed to test the ability to apply rules to the fact and derive the rules from the argument. So things that we were already doing, things that I was doing during my 500 MCQ series, that putting that the Hindu, taking the recent issue that we started preparing from some days ago, they have also put this in this particular part. The committee proposes redefining the English language section as language and comprehension to access functional literacy, requiring candidates to discern their tone, inference and argument strength rather than merely trusting grammar or vocabulary. One more thing. See why? See, these things are very good for CLAT 2028 students. See, I love these things. Reason behind, no GK and GS. Wow. Why? Because these GK and GS are should be the daily part of your routine. There should be no exam that should include the GK and GS part. Plus this vocabulary and this the testing of your grammar. You guys have been doing all these things till your 12th. Obviously you have developed all these things, so rather putting 5 to 10 questions on this particular thing, it is useless. And now we can see it. Moving ahead, the committee recommended setting no more than 10 to 15 question of each of the three sections. So now CLAT 2028 students, you might be seeing possibly not more than 50 questions. Time will be of 2 hours, but yes, there is one thing, that the total time for attempting the full paper should be 2 hours, but the paper, the passages that you will see, these passages will be more good. The committee advised against the immediate introduction of any essay component due to current logistic constraints, but endorse a roadmap for its potential inclusion in future cycles to better text argumentation and written communication skill. So see, it is a very good thing. You will see post graduation changes also. We will make another video for that, but I will also take you to some pictures which will tell you all these things in a very detailed part. If you are going to read this particular 77 page report, this reports points out so many issues. Somewhere in the report it was also mentioned that it is not a structural thing. It is something that the quality of the questions, the these all these things are within you. You have to make these changes because you are shaping a legal professional people. And there was these 2-3 pictures which I will take you, and there were lot of exams that were there for the recommendation. They have put all the list. You will see CLAT UG, PG, SET, LNET, LSNET. All these things are the table of abbreviation. In the table of abbreviation you have been given these things, so they have used all these things in that. And plus I will also take you to some pictures which are very good, which I see, because there was this picture where all 5 section was written, and then they made these 3 section and marking X on the GKGS side. This particular thing that I was talking about, exam structure transition from old to new. So your current is 5 and the new section will be 3. They are removing current affairs and general law, but still it is not any official communication that yes, they will completely remove it. It is their guideline. We also recommend that 3 sections should have no more than 15 to 20 question each. 2 hours. Thoughtfulness, see, the one thing that they have been putting here, and that is very nice, is the goal should be to test your thoughtfulness and considered answer rather than your speed. So your passages are going to be very good 2028 according to their recommendation. And if we come back to our press release, this press release was there on 21st. Yesterday I was making a video on documentation, and I told my students that it might be possible that in a couple of hours there is a certain notification. And now since we are seeing this press release, I am also telling you this, that in 1 or 2 days you will get your exam date also, and your application will start. Last thing, see, further discussion and next step on 17 May 2026 at a meeting convened by the president of consortium of NLU at NJA Bhopal is resolved that the office of the Honorable Chief Justice of India shall constitute a committee for further consideration of the recommendation of report. The governing body of the consortium of NLU shall in coordination with committee engage with the recommendation of the report and public feedback in preparation for CLAT 2028. So my dear CLAT 2027 students, there is no change for you. And there is no specifications for you, there is nothing for you, but something is there for you, that you will see your past 2-3 years papers. We will analyze these things. We are already analyzed these things. That's why I'm taking the marathons for your analytical reasoning part. And yes, I think they should have mentioned somewhere a detailed syllabus for 2027 and 2028. That upcoming report will come, agreed. But yes, we would have needed a complete syllabus guide, but it's okay. They have mentioned here no changes to the syllabus and pattern slash section. So 5 section agreed, passages agreed, your syllabus, no, we are not agreeing on it, because your syllabus that is there on the consortium is a limited syllabus, and the previous year questions that we are getting has some new things as well. So yes, we will continue with that. Plus the biggest news is for CLAT 2028 students. Guys, you might find so many changes, and we will keep update you on these particular changes. CLAT 2027 students, let me know what do you think about this particular press release. Are we do we have a mock test, a mock question from our CLAT 2027? Are we there in a paradox situation where we have told no changes to the syllabus and patterns? We have to agree, take it as a true. We are seeing questions from analytical reasoning part from our previous year question paper. Yes, this statement is also true. Let us find the logical thing between it. Answer me in the comment box, what do you think? And don't worry guys, me as an alumnus of Gujarat National Law University, me as a mentor for logical reasoning, is always there for you. You can ask me in the description box. You will find Google form, fill it to me, let's talk. Don't worry, I got you covered. 4 months are still left and we can do this.